Scorpio, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at titingnan natin kung ano yung energies na parating sa inyo ngayong full moon in Taurus sa November 16, 2024 at 5:28 a.m. Philippine time. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong 25% discount sa mga tarot reading services pag nag-book kayo ngayong November 2024. So yung link nasa description at sa pinned comment. Okay, paki-check nyo na lang. So, let's see. So, for you, Scorpio, itong full moon in Taurus is happening in your 7th house of relationships. So, yung iba, maaring meron kayong ile-let go na relationships, connections that you feel is no longer serving your highest good. I think ito yung pinagtiisan mo. Nagtiyaga ka dyan. You really fought for it. Akala mo, ikaw yung may pagkakamali or ikaw yung may pagkukulang. Pero you realize na pinipilit mo lang pala talaga na ayusin. Parang binigay mo na yung lahat. Pero talagang ang may problema is the other person, no? So, ngayon, na-realize mo na yon, and maari kasing merong unexpected na nangyari or mangyayari para ma-realize mo yon that will trigger you na to end a situation or a relationship with someone. Pwede itong romantic connection, pwedeng friendship, pwedeng sa family, as long as this is closely connected sa'yo. And this time, you are realizing to take care of yourself more. Okay, so you have the Sun in Scorpio in your first house. So kumbaga you are reassessing yourself. Nagkakaroon ka ng self-reflection kung ano yung mga dapat mong gawin para sa sarili mo at hindi laging para sa ibang tao. Kasi sometimes nakakalimutan mo na yung sarili mo because you are focused on how to please your partner, kung paano mo makikip ang isang relationship with someone, na nakakalimutan mo na pala yung sarili mo along the way. Okay? So, maaring this is a wake-up call para sa'yo. So, you have the positive energy or positive aspect with your fifth house. So, possible rin na meron kang mga makikilala around this time that will open up your views or change your views pagdating sa relationship. I feel like you might meet someone na parang dadalhin ka sa isang situation na kung saan mas makikilala mo yung sarili mo, may explore mo yung sarili mo, unlike dun sa dati mong relationship. 'Di ba? Na maaring laging may limitations or parang you feel like you are not growing with that person. So, it's time for you to have fun. But it doesn't mean na this is sigurado na na siguradong success for you, the new relationship or new connection, but this will help you discover yourself. Minsan kasi may mga ganun, no? Nakikilala natin yung isang tao not because meron siyang magiging vital role sa buhay mo for a long time. Pwedeng sila yung mag-open up ng opportunities for you to explore. And then eventually, makikilala mo yung sarili mo na, ay, ganito pala yung gusto ko, or dito pala ako magaling. So, it's about self-discovery, what I'm seeing for you, na if ang pinagdadaanan mo ngayon, ending a relationship, it's a way, parang way siya ng universe for you to let that go and to focus on welcoming new connections and at the same time getting to know yourself more. Yung iba naman, may involve kayo sa mga creative na mga activities, no? You will tap into your creative talents, your skills. You will explore your knowledge, your abilities. Yung iba, if you have kids and meron kang nagiging challenge sa relationship mo with your person, let's say asawa or romantic partner, you will be focusing more on your child or on your kids, no? Lalo na kung hindi mo sila masyadong naasikaso ng mga nakaraan dahil focus ka on saving a relationship na talagang nagsa-struggle na. So it's time for you to go out, have fun, enjoy. Okay? You also have a positive aspect sa Pluto, which is in Capricorn in your third house. Third house is the house of communication, learning. So maaring you will open up with bagong interest na gusto mong matutunan. You might be studying, researching, enrolling sa mga online courses, or you will practically go back to school for a new chapter ng buhay mo. Kasi may mga ganun na nagkaroon sila ng challenge before sa school nila na kailangan nilang tumigil, and then nag-focus sila sa career, trabaho nila, or ibang mga responsibilities, and now meron na sila ngayong chance na bumalik sa school at mag-aral ulit. So some of you may ganong opportunities. Let's see what else. You have the Fool. This is freedom. And then let's see what else. You have the Devil. The Devil is about unhealthy habits. So I see that you are walking away from that. Yung iba, umiiwas na kayo sa unhealthy habits, nagpo-focus na kayo in pag-aalaga sa inyong sarili. You also have the Three of Cups. So this is new friends, new connections. Yung iba sa inyo, may mga bago kayong makikilala na mga kaibigan, contacts, connections that will help you grow, that will help you improve yourself. And I think yung iba sa inyo, if you are in a toxic situation or a toxic relationship, I feel like ito yung iiwanan nyo aalis na kayo sa ganyang sitwasyon because you feel like it's time to take care of yourself and focus on your happiness. Kasi kung hindi ka na masaya dyan, masyado ng stressful, toxic yung situation, then it's time to go. Okay? It's time to go. A time to give rather than take. So I think you are going to give something for yourself this time. Kumbaga, yung mga dinideserve mo na laging pinapaubaya mo sa iba, this time, para sa'yo naman, ibibigay mo naman sa'yo. And of course, you will forgive people na kailangan mong patawarin. And I think this is you forgiving yourself. Pinapatawad mo yung sarili mo sa mga mistakes mo, sa mga bad decisions mo in the past, and it's time to celebrate your life, okay? And your mga decisions mo, mga bago mong ine-explore sa buhay, okay? So that is your reading, Scorpio. Thank you so much. Good luck.